Step 1. Stand the pump on suction end. Remove bolts, lock washers, and flat washers. Lay pump flat. Remove pump casing. Step 2. Remove bolts, lock washers, and flat washers between pump cover and bracket. Loose nut in the end of the coupling and remove the impeller assembly. Step 3. Loose the round nut behind the mechanical seal and mechanical seal locking screw. Remove the mechanical seal. Take pump cover assembly out. Remove mounting bolts. Separate gland and the pump cover. And remove the gasket, static ring, and O-ring.